How to install the Terma VEO smart heating element. To install the VEO heating element, you need a 1.5 mm Allen key, supplied in the packaging, a 6 mm Allen key, a 24 mm spanner and a 3 mm flathead screwdriver. Read the user manual and the additional warnings on the label and in the flyer. Check the distance between the tubes of the heating element. If necessary, bend them away. Insert the heating element into the threaded opening at the bottom end of the collector. Tighten the head of the heating element with a spanner number 24. Fill the radiator with the heating medium and bleed it. Leave one of the valves open. Attach the controller and set its front parallel to the wall. While affixing the controller in place, make sure you align the guide groove and guide projection. Please note that the Terma Smart Split Connector is not compatible with the older Terma Split Connector. The rotation range of the VEO controller, relative to a heating element, is 340 degrees. To ensure proper cooling of electronic components, fasten the casing at the back of the controller with an Allen key. This is required for the correct operation of the controller. Connect the heating element to a power supply, following the instructions in the user manual. Turn on the heating element.